Hi guys, how y'all doing? Actually look halfway decent this morning. I really lost a little weight in my face, finally. So, I was gonna vlog this morning. Oopsie. Seatbelt. And then all of a sudden, I felt like vlogging, and then all of a sudden, I didn't feel like vlogging. Because I laid back in the bed. I need to stop doing that. I got in a bad habit. So, again. So what's new? So, I am going to go pick up my sister today. We are going to take my dad to the doctor. And I asked her if she wanted to go to Hobby Lobby. And again, she can't because she has to work. Her and her husband have a lawn business, so she's gonna be mowing lawns today. And so I guess I'm gonna do some retail therapy and go to Michael's and Marshall's and maybe Target. We shall see. Yeah, I've been staying in the house too much, so yeah. And then when I get back, maybe I'll mow the lawn because I think I need a little sunshine too. Yeah, starting to figure things out. I don't think I can stay in the house more than 2 days in a row. And I mean go out and run errands or something like that. And if I am at home, I need to get out and get some sunshine. Because last week I felt really good because I was motivated and everything because I was getting plenty of sunshine. Anyway, that's enough of that. I'll just do like a shop with me and take you along with me. Okay guys, done with my dad's doctor's appointment 2 hours later. Yeah, but they're very thorough. He goes to what's called a geriatric doctor, and they're awesome. So if you have an elderly parent, I recommend getting a geriatric doctor. And this particular doctor's office also has like a social worker too, so they help with other things, you know, like you know, getting, well, I was gonna say physical therapy, but getting them out and active, and you know, maybe recommending things like Meals on Wheels and all that kind of thing. But my sister did tell me that that particular thing, I was just saying that as an example, but that particular thing in our area is not doing well. It's apparently they are not accepting any new people because they don't have the funds or something like that. So they did recommend something like this senior companion, which we might look into, where they might come over and like take a walk with my dad because he needs to move. We were asking the doctor to get him physical therapy, but they said the problem with doing physical therapy, the insurance will pay, but only for 6 weeks, and then where's he left? So he suggested we get him to go to the gym with maybe a personal trainer. He does have a little bit of money now. He finished paying off his mortgage, so he has some money. Yeah, I've tried asking him for probably the last 2 years, and he never wanted to do that, but I think he's don't have a lot going on now. So before, you know, he had a shoulder problem and all that kind of stuff, yada yada yada. So he said yeah, he wanted to go to the gym, and his insurance pays for that. They don't pay for the trainer, but so he's going to the gym with me on Friday. I'm going to help him set that up, so I'm happy about that. And we're looking into getting him an electronic pill thing because I don't think he's taking his pills on a daily basis like he should be. He takes generic form of Namenda, which is for dementia. So he has mild cognitive impairment. So yeah, all right. So I'm headed to the gym. I'm headed to the gym. Going to the gym on Friday apparently with my dad, and so I'm headed to Target and Marshall's and Michael's. Right? stop at Chick-fil-A and get a frosted coffee. You think? Oh, and they gave him a memory test. He goes to this doctor like every 6 months. So they gave him a memory test today. And they said that, you know, he scored the same as he scored the last time. So that's good. So he's not declining. He's staying steady. Apparently, that's what the medicine does. He's been on it a year. Something like that. It doesn't help you get better. It helps you from the dementia from getting worse. So today. I'm at Ross. I love pieces like this, but where am I gonna put it? Honestly, I don't need any more stuff, and I'm not paying $90 for it. But okay, guys. I decided not to go to Target. I went to Marshall's, Michael's, the Dollar Tree, and Ross. And they all are like in the same shopping center. Yeah, I did. It is 2:17. I need to go home. And I actually need to mow the lawn. Yeah, so that's it. When I get home, I will show you what I got. I didn't really get much of anything. I have some decor videos coming up, and I wanted to get a couple of things. I'm doing a decor video with Heidi Sambal. A splash of color video where you're supposed to show how you incorporate color into your home, what colors, that kind of thing. So I was looking for yellow stuff, and apparently it's too late in the year for that. That would be springtime. Anyway, so I already have some yellow and stuff and whatever, but I needed a few to change out a few things. Anyway, I'm going home, and I'll show you what I got when I get home. Alright, so much for mowing the lawn. Guess that ain't happening. Sure I can find something else to do. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's like almost 3 o'clock, and you see it was raining, so I'm not going to mow the lawn. The grass is all wet. So, just got home, obviously. I stopped and got an iced white chocolate mocha at Starbucks. Yeah, so I really didn't get much of anything. I was looking for some decor stuff, like I said. I ended up putting those orange candles back because I really want some yellow ones. I was going to get them for the dining room, but I really want yellow, and I thought I could make the orange ones work because fall's coming up, but nope. I decided to put them back. So I got this. I was going to get the 12 egg bin, but this one was cheaper. This is 21. So, I mean, it's kind of big, but we usually buy a lot of eggs. So, I already have one of these, but hubby put it in the dishwasher. And I don't know. I guess you can't put it in the dishwasher because it got totally warped. Yeah, and the top doesn't fit and everything. So, that's going to be trash. I don't know why I bought these. Because I have a whole bunch of these, but they're not strong enough. I just thought I would try them. I really need to go to the eye doctor. I've said that before. You see, I need 3.25. Yes. The other ones are not strong enough. Kirby, why are you crying? Alright, so, I wanted some flowers, but Michael's didn't really have any. I guess I gotta go to I like Hobby Lobby's flowers better anyway. I was gonna say I want to go to Hobby Lobby. So, I bought these because the other day I made an arrangement with flowers in a bowl of water. And one of my nice subscribers, I always forget who it is, I mention it, but suggested that I put either stones or rocks in there because I didn't have an oasis to put in the bowl. So I bought some rocks at the Dollar Tree. Did I say that was from the Dollar Tree? That was from Marshall's, right? Yeah, I don't get anything at Ross. Yeah. And then these are the only yellow flowers I found. And I used my 40% off coupon, but that was only off of one. So this little bunch of flowers ended up costing me $5. I was looking for, I didn't want like bright yellow, although this is coming off bright yellow on camera, but it's not. It's kind of a darker yellow because bright yellow wouldn't go really good in my house with the orange and stuff. I don't know if I can make this work or not. Anyway, that's all I got, and I am going to go get my loungewear stuff on and actually do some laundry, clean the house, but that's for a whole nother video. that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna try to get some stuff done, and I'm gonna show you something real quick. Yeah, change my mind on that because that's gonna be another video. I don't know what the cat's wrong with that cat. All right, so that's it for this video. Maybe I might film something today and have it for another video, and a work it Wednesday video. Haven't decided. Yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy your day.